Hello my dear children, how are you all? Yes, once again we are here and today we are going to learn something new. And you know what is that? Yes, now you all are big children. So all of you know alphabets. So today we are going to learn words. What we are going to learn, children? Words. And you know how words are built? When you join different alphabets, we can form a word, right? So today we are going to learn the words. So for that, what you are going to do? Yes, you have to listen it properly and you have to be a good children. Okay. So today we are going to learn with A sound. What we are going to learn, children? A sound words. So for that, all of you have to look on the board. Yes. What you can see on the board? Correct. Beautiful pictures, right? But now we all are big. So we don't just have to look at the picture. We have to learn the words. We must know the spelling of those words, picture, right? So you all are going to repeat after me. All are good children. So you have to repeat after me. Okay, look at this first picture. What is that? Yes, bat. Now tell me, what you do with the bat? Yes, correct. We play cricket. So you know the spelling of bat? Okay, no problem. You are going to repeat after me so that next time when you use this bat, you know the word of bat, right? Okay, so all of you repeat after me. B-A-T, bat. Again, B-A-T, bat. Once again, B-A-T, bat. Very good. Now look at the next picture. What is that? Yes, cat. All of you have seen cat, right? Yes. Now we should know to spell cat. Okay. So all of you have to repeat after me. C-A-T, cat. Again, C-A-T, cat. Again, children, C-A-T, cat. Now, here we are having one more picture. What is that? Yes, it is a hat. And when you wear a hat, yes, when we go out in the sun and where we wear hat? Yes, correct, on a head. So all are going to repeat after me. H-A-T, hat. Again, H-A-T, hat. Once again, children, H-A-T, hat. And can you see here? Yes, you know him. Who is he? Yes, he is a security man, Jadeja bhai. Okay, so he is a man. So what we are going to do? We are going to spell man. So all of you have to repeat after me. M-A-N, man. All of you children, M-A-N, man. Once again, M-A-N, man. Okay, now what is this? Yes, all of you like to eat, right? What we do? We apply on the bread and we eat for breakfast. What is that? Correct, jam. So all of you repeat after me. J-A-M, jam. Again, J-A-M, jam. Once again, J-A-M, jam. Now look here. What is this? Yes, when we enter the room and we feel hot, what we do? What we put on? Correct, fan. Okay, so what is this? Fan. So all of you repeat after me. F-A-N, fan. Again, F-A-N, fan. Once again, children, F-A-N, fan. So all of you know this. Now few more words we are going to do. What is this? Yes, it is a cap. And where we wear cap? Correct, on a head. Okay, many of the boys wear cap, right? Yes. So you are going to repeat after me. Okay. C-A-P, cap. Again, C-A-P, cap. Once again, children, C-A-P, cap. Now, after this, you all are going to come in the school, right? So, how you come to school? Yes, when we come to school, you come by bus or some of them rickshaw or with parents. But we carry something and in that we keep our books, our lunch box, our pencil box. What is that, children? Look here. Yes, correct. Bag. What it is, children? Bag. So all of you repeat after me. B-A-G, bag. Again, children. B-A-G, bag. Once again, children. B-A-G, bag. And when you want to fill water, what you put on? Correct. That is a tap. When you put tap on, water will come out from the tap. Okay, so what is this, children? Tap. All of you repeat after me. Tap. T-A-P, tap. Again, T-A-P, tap. Again, T-A-P, tap. Now, what we are going to do, you know, we are going to learn few more words with A sound. And for that, we have to look at the initial sound. Okay, initial sound we are going to add and the rhyming sound will be there, right? Okay, so look here at the first word. What is this, children? At. What it is? At. And this you have already learned. A-T, at. All of you repeat. A-T, at. Now what we are going to do, you know? Can you see here back? We have written at. And now we have add one alphabet to that. What is that? B. So when at is there and we add B to it, what it will become? Correct. Bat. What it will be, children? Bat. So all of you repeat after me. B-A-T, bat. Again, B-A-T, bat. Very good. Now same way. Again we are going to write at. But now here we are going to change the initial sound. And what is the initial sound here? Correct. C. So when at is there and we add C to it, what it will become? C-A-T, cat. Very good. Again, C-A-T, cat. Again, C-A-T, cat. Now again we are going to write the word at. A-T, at. And what we are going to add to it? Yes, we are going to add M. M will be the initial sound. So what it will become? Correct. M-A-T, mat. What it will be, children? M-A-T, mat. Now again what rhyming sound we are writing? At. And now what we are going to add to it? Correct. R. So when we add R to the rhyming sound at, what it will become? Okay, repeat after me. R-A-T, rat. Again, R-A-T, rat. Once again, children, R-A-T, rat. Very good. Now look here. Now we have taken another rhyming sound, that is A and An. All of you repeat. A and An. Now the same way we are going to do. We are going to keep that rhyming sound and we are going to add initial sound to it. So can you see this rhyming sound and? And what is the initial sound here? Correct. C. So what it will become, children? C-A-N, can. Again, C-A-N, can. Very good. Same way. Again we have kept the same rhyming sound and. Now here we have changed the initial sound. What is the initial sound? Correct. F. So what it will be, children? F-A-N, fan. All of you repeat. F-A-N, fan. Okay. Same way. Here again we have written an sound. And what we have added rhyming sound? This thing, initial sound, am. So what it will be, children? M-A-N, man. All of you repeat. M-A-N, man. Now again we are having the same rhyming sound and. But the initial sound is different. What is the initial sound here? P. So what it will be, children? Correct. P-A-N, pan. What it will be, children? P-A-N, pan. Once again, P-A-N, pan. Now, look here. Again, we have changed the rhyming sound. And what it is, children, now? A-P, app. Now we are going to keep A-P, app rhyming sound. And what we are going to change? Yes, correct. We are going to change the initial sound. So, can you see here AP app? And what is the initial sound we have written there? Correct. We have written C. So, what it will become? C-A-P, cap. Again, C-A-P, cap. Same way. Again, we have written the rhyming sound A-P, app. But, now what is the initial sound here? Correct. M. So, what it will be, children? M-A-P, map. What it will be, children? M-A-P, map. Same way. We have written here the rhyming sound A-P, app. But the initial sound is correct. L. So what it will be, children? L-A-P, lap. What it will be, children? L-A-P, lap. All of you like to sit in the lap of your mom, right? Yes. Now, again the rhyming sound is same. A, P, app. But the initial sound is different. What is the initial sound here, children? T. So, what it will be? Correct. This we have already learned here. It is T-A-P, tap. Repeat, children. T-A-P, tap. Again, T-A-P, tap. Now, we have changed the rhyming sound. What we have written there? A-G, ag. And what we are going to do? Yes, correct. We are going to add initial sound to it and we are going to make a different word, right? So, again you can see here A-G, ag. And what is the initial sound we have added to it? Correct. B. So, what it is now, children? B-A-G, bag. Again, B-A-G, bag. Okay, this we have already learned, right? Now, again, what is the rhyming sound? A-G, ag. Again, children, repeat. A-G, ag. And what is the initial sound over there? Correct. R. So, what it will be? R-A-G, rag. Again, R-A-G, rag. Same way. Again, we have put the rhyming sound same. That is A-G, ag. And what we have written here at initial sound? Yes, that is T. So, what it will be? T-A-G, tag. Repeat, children. T-A-G, tag. All of you wear tag, right, when you go to school. And in your school bag, if you buy a new school bag, you have a tag of it, price tag, right? Okay, now again, the rhyming sound is same. A-G, ag. And what is the initial sound there? Correct. W. So, what it will be? W-A-G, wag. Once again, children, W-A-G, wag. Have you seen dog wagging his tail? Yes, it moves his tail, right? We call it wagging. Now, again we are having the different rhyming sound here. And what is that? A-M-M. What it is, children? A-M-M. Okay, now we are going to keep the rhyming sound same and the initial sound we are going to change. So, can you see here A-M-M? Yes, and what is the initial sound there? Correct. D. So, what it will be? D-A-M, dam. Repeat, children. D-A-M, dam. Now, again look here. What is this? Correct. It is the same rhyming sound, that is A-M-M. And what we have added to it, children? Yes, J. So, what it is? J-A-M, jam, which we have already learned, right? Yes, J-A-M, jam. Same way. Again the same rhyming sound is there. And now this time we add R. The initial sound is R. So, it will be R-A-M, ram. Again, children, R-A-M, ram. Now, the last one. What is that, children? Again, A-M-M is same. And what we have written the initial sound there? Correct, S. So, it is S-A-M, Sam. All of you repeat. S-A-M, Sam. Sam is a name of a boy. Yes. Now, you are already familiar with the words. So, what we are going to do? Yes. Now, from that words, from alphabet, we have learned to form a word. Now, from the words, we are going to make a small sentence. So, all of you have to repeat after me. Okay, can you see this picture? What is that? Yes, there is a man. And what that man is doing, children? Yes, correct, he is running. So, what we are going to say? You have to repeat after me. A man ran. All of you say, a man ran. Once again, children, a man ran. Same way. Can you see here? Yes, it is a cat. And what is that cat is doing? The cat is sitting. So, we are going to make a short sentence. A fat cat sat. The cat is fat. So, we are going to say fat. Again, a fat cat sat. Once again, children, a fat cat sat. Now, here we are going to learn some conversation. So, I am going to teach you something. All of you have to listen it properly, okay? Mother. Now, mother is asking a child. Can you see which animal is there in the picture? Okay, now you tell me. Which animal you can see in this picture? Correct. Cat. Okay, so what the answer is? The child says, the son says, yes, it is a cat. Which animal is there, children? Cat. So, what the child is saying? Yes, it is a cat. Now, the mother. What is the cat doing? Okay, can you see the cat here? What is that cat doing? It is running? It is dancing? No, the cat is sitting. So, what is the son saying? The cat is sitting. What is the child saying? The cat is sitting. Okay, now we are going to do some activity. So, what you are going to do, you know children? You are going to do this activity by yourself, but I am going to make you do orally. So, all of you look on the board, and next time when you are there, you have to be ready with your pencil and a book. But just now you are going to do orally with me. Okay. So, this side, can you see something? Yes, there are pictures. Now, tell me, what is this? Correct, it is a vehicle. But which vehicle is this? Van, right. And this we know what it is? Correct, fan. And down, can you see something? What is that? Sometimes it comes into your house, right? And you catch and you throw it out. What is that? Rat. So, here the pictures are there and here there are words. So, before we match it, what we are going to do? We are going to learn the words. So, you are going to repeat after me. Okay, see the first word. R-A-T. What it is, children? Correct, rat. Again, R-A-T, rat. Now, next picture is V-A-N, van. Again, V-A-N, van. And the last one is F-A-N, fan. Again, F-A-N, fan. So, now what we are going to do? Yes, we are going to join them. Okay, so first word is correct, R-A-T, rat. Now, tell me, where is the rat picture? Yes, here down. So, what you are going to do? You are going to join rat with the picture, right? Now, look at the second word. What is that, children? V-A-N, van. What it is, children? V-A-N, van. And where the van is? Correct, here on top. So, we are going to join van. And the last one is F-A-N, fan. And where it is? Here. Yes, very good. So, you all are good children. So, what you are going to do? Yes, you are going to be a good children and you have to learn everything at home and you have to always obey your parents. Okay, bye children.
Dear students, do remember to hit that like and subscribe button and press the bell icon too.